Hello, my dear friends. Looking for something? Can't find it? Too much clutter. Too much clutter. You might have 6 pairs of scissors and you can't find them for anything. You know what? If you'll declutter, that means organize, put all things together, like things together, and then go through those things and eliminate the ones you don't need, the ones that don't work, the ones you don't like, the ones that don't feel good, the ones that don't fit good, whatever it is, and say, this is the drawer for the scissors. I'm putting 2 pair in here, a rounded tip for the little ones and the sharp pointy one for me. Or I'm going to put the rounded tip for the little ones with their supplies, and this is my drawer. And this is where it goes. If you're looking for something and you can't find it, it's because you have too much clutter. So today, when you're decluttering, remember, oh, I found a pair of scissors. I was looking for scissors. Let me put them in the place that I decided they're going to go. That's put away. And then as you're decluttering, you may find 6 pairs. Once you do, you can go through all your pairs and say, this is the pair I like the best. That's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.